Hello everybody, let's do an evening winding down variation of moon salutation. If you want to energize yourself, I have a great workout that is a sun salutation. Right now let's unwind, enjoy the sunset behind me. We'll start with rolling our shoulders down, rolling up, exhale, pull it down, roll it up, exhale, pull it down. Let's go for 5 more. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more time. Now let's lift your arms up. Inhale. I would exhale, open them into star pose. Squeeze the shoulder blade, chest will go up and forward. Let's stay here for a moment and include our diaphragm into breathing. Think about the rib cage. Rib cage looks like a closed umbrella. With inhale, we open that umbrella. I would exhale, draw the rib cage down and lift the navel up. Give me 3 more deep breaths like this. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 1 more inhale. Now with exhale, raise your arms up. Now inhale. I would exhale, right toes will face the wall to your right. Inhale. I would exhale, let's bend your right knee and open your arms into a warrior. If you feel like you didn't move your legs wide enough, you can just adjust a little bit. Go into a wider pose, drop your shoulders, take a deep breath, inhale. I would exhale, right elbow will go to the right knee, lift your left arm up. I would exhale, send it to the left ear and roll your chest up towards the ceiling or to the sky. Let's stay here, making sure you're staying in one plane. Pressing through the right heel and sending your navel to your spine. Inhale, raise up. I would exhale, reverse. Raise your right arm and send it to the right ear. Roll the chest up towards the sky. Inhale up. I would exhale, we will windmill your arms down towards the right toes. Raise your left heel, drop your left knee. Chest up and forward, look in front of you and slightly push your hips forward to feel the stretch in your left hip flexor. With each exhale, push slightly forward. Push your hips slightly forward. Inhale. With exhale, let's press through your left palm and raise your right arm up towards the sky. Inhale. With exhale, send that arm behind you. You can continue rowing it in a circle and look towards your right fingers. If you feel like that's not enough, you can raise your left toes and hug it. Or stay right here. Inhale. With exhale, make sure to roll the circle with your right arm. Look in front of you. Pull your fingers forward as if you're about to shake somebody's hand. And now let's drop that right palm on the inside of your right foot. Lizard pose. If you want to explore your lizard, bend your elbows. Want to go even deeper, place your right palm on the outside through your leg. Let's sink a little bit. Take a deep breath, inhale, and with exhale, raise your hips up, straighten your arm, roll the left heel inward, inhale. And with exhale, you will raise your left arm up. Maybe look towards your left fingers, inhale. And with exhale, send that navel to spine. And slowly raise back into a warrior. Inhale and exhale, reverse the warrior. Straighten your right leg and sink. Inhale up. Exhale, toes forward. Inhale, raise your arms up. And exhale, roll your heels inward. Spread your toes and sink into goddess. Inhale, arms go up, straighten your legs. Exhale, toes go forward. Spread the toes wide, inhale. And with exhale, left toes go towards the wall to your left. Inhale and exhale, bend your left knee and open to warrior. Look to your left fingers, chest up and forward. Inhale. And with exhale, left elbow goes to the left knee. Right arm goes up. Send it to your right ear, chest up and forward. Side angle pose. Inhale up. Exhale, reverse. Inhale up. And with exhale, windmill down towards your left toes. Raise your right heel. Drop your right knee and look in front of you. Sink into this position. Push your hips slightly forward. Feel that stretch in your right hip flexor. Inhale. And with exhale, press through your right palm and raise your left arm up. If you feel like sending it on a circle, look to your left fingers. If you feel like adding a little extra, hug your right toes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, arm goes up all the way forward, as if you're about to shake somebody's hand. Inhale, and with exhale, send it on the inside of your foot, and let's sink into a lizard. If you feel like adding a little something, remember you can always send it on the through your left leg. Hold it, inhale. And with exhale, raise your hips. Roll your right heel inward, inhale. And with exhale, raise your right arm up. Look to your right fingers. Inhale. And with exhale, let's raise into warrior. Inhale. And with exhale, let's reverse it. And straighten your left leg and sink. Remember, chest up and forward. Inhale up. Exhale, toes forward. Chest up and forward, back into a scapular squeeze. Go through the crown of your head. Inhale and exhale, heels go inward. Lift your arms up. And with exhale, let's go into goddess. Raise your heels up. Push your hips forward, open your knees wider. Hold it, inhale. And exhale, let's unwind this pose. Now inhale and exhale, sink. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more inhale and exhale. Now inhale up. Exhale, toes go forward. Inhale, open your arms, star pose, and exhale, send it back. Lock your fingers behind you. Roll your shoulders up and down and squeeze your shoulder blades and lift your arms slightly up. Chest goes up and forward. We're opening the chest. And remembering the diaphragm breath for 5 more deep breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Open your rib cage with inhale. With exhale, sew the ribs down. Lift your navel up. 2 more deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. 1 more inhale and exhale. Inhale, release your arms. Let's drop them. Pull your shoulders down and roll your shoulders for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's raise your arms up. Inhale and exhale. Let's go into the wide forward fold for a moment. Lock your fingers on your elbows. Relax your neck and clench your jaw. Roll your tailbone up towards the ceiling. Feel the connection to the back of your legs. Spread your toes wide. Feel grounded. Notice how your body feels. Maybe roll your elbows to the left and to the right. Feel how strong your body is, how alive it is. Take a moment to thank yourself, to be here for yourself, to show up for yourself. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, push up. Straighten spine goes up. Raise your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, send it next to your chest. Chin down towards the chest. Thank you for practicing today with me. I hope I was able to share a little beauty of that sunset. Send your energy to me. Please leave a like and subscribe if you didn't, and I will see you in another video. Namaste.